Welcome back to the Tennis Premier League, powered by Clear. It's time for the final league match of the season. The Gujarat Panthers take on the Bengal Wizards. Both these teams still in contention for a spot in the semi-finals. First up, the women's singles. Ekaterina Yashina, who came into this squad in place of Karman Kaur Thandi and done a tremendous job. She's up against the 20-year-old Masha Timofeeva. After that, Sumit Nagal, India #1. Then the mixed doubles and finally the men's doubles. And it will be Yashina to serve for the Gujarat Panthers. On the far side, Masha Timofeeva for Bengal. Timofeeva, not afraid to search for the lines, not afraid to go for the big winners. We've seen that through the course of this league. And the Panthers with the early lead. High break format, so one serve and then two from the other side. There you go, on the board now, straight away, Masha Timofeeva. Still early days, but remember, the Bengal Wizards are in prime contention. All they need is a tie or a win, and they go through, and it's a good start for them. Precision with the angle, wide. Possibly the biggest challenge for Yashina so far. They will match each other. Non-stop for ground stroke. That's well wide. Great tennis from the 20-year-old Russian.
3-1.
Maria Timofeeva doing a great job to start this women's singles contest. 1-3. Oh, gorgeous hands though from Ekaterina Yashina, and a smile to follow. The Panthers have got to believe they need a pretty big win. Oh, and that's a big serve for the Wizards and Timofeeva. A second ace. High five. Why not? Clearly a Bengal Wizards fan. Nothing that Yashina could have done with that. Second ace going the same direction. And yet again successful when she comes to the net. This is great tennis from both girls at the moment. Now, let's just remind you, the Panthers are ahead. But 161 to 168. It means that with 168, at 168, they're in prime spot.
Both of them really aggressive from the baseline. Ah, where did that come from? Was it needed? Looking to change the speed of that rally. Experiments with this cut, and it fails. That's the return you want to see from a confident Ekaterina. Came in place of Karman, hence the name on her jersey. A mixed bag of shots visible over the last few points. Both of them trying to change proceedings, mix it up a bit. That's it.
7, Gujarat.
The Panthers and Ekaterina officially win game 1 on this 5th day, where we will decide our 4 semi-finalists. Did that clip the line? She can challenge it. 2 reviews for every match.
Bengal want to challenge the call on the left.
Does she?
Sideline,
Yes,
the
she
ball
does.
is balled out.
If successful, it will be retained. If not, you have 1 review for the next 3 games as a team. Let's take a look here. Has this clipped the line? Yes, definitely. Well on the line. That has to be in. Final match of day 5 here.
The ball was
And a
good.
confirmation.
Bengal, 11-9.
With smiles on their faces. You have to feel for the 20-year-old. She's fought so hard, but let's take a moment to appreciate what Ekaterina Yashina has done. Came in as a reserve player and has still to lose a match. She's been on a brilliant winning streak. One-on-one, Sumit and Balaji. A confirmation. 11 points for the Panthers, 9 for the Wizards. 3 games to go, 60 points to play for. Action on the other side.
चल आजा मैदान में चल आजा मैदान में
Sumit Nagal up against the big serving Sri Ram Balaji. All eyes on India's #1 with the serve.
It starts with a good one.
1-0,
Sumit
Gujarat.
Nagal goes wide. And now it's over to India's #1. Oh, he was there, Bala. But that's good from Sumit Nagal. They're pumped. And why not? They know what's at stake. A place in the semi-finals.
Expect this to go down to the wire. That's the kind of competition we've had. When 2 teams been in red hot form, come up for the final match of the day. We've seen them go straight to that men's doubles.
And right now,
4-1.
they're putting themselves in prime position.
What was Sumit not happy about there? He's certainly a man who expresses himself. 15-11 the overall scores. Bonnie Perrin in the background, the Swiss star.
Now, why this is critical is that the Panthers, with every point, get closer and closer to Bengal. Look at the cushion here, 176 to 172. Because with every point to Gujarat, that deficit drops. Bala playing the safe game here, waiting for Sumit to make the error. He knows Sumit likes the winners. Inside out is where he goes. There you go.
These are the sort of exchanges you want to see from the baseline. High quality tennis visible there from both sides, using every area of that charcoal grey tennis court, mixing it up so well, both Balaji and Sumit Nagal.
There you go, yet again, Sriram Balaji. When it's needed, he comes good.
Bengal.
Backs it up with another big serve. Bala is charging here. Unbelievable from Sriram Balaji.
Serve and volley does the trick there for Sriram Balaji. And of course, like we discussed here, should there be a tie between two teams,
10-8.
the head-to-head will be checked first. And what if the two teams haven't played each other? Because in this format, you have 8 teams, but each team plays 5 other teams. So it's not necessary that every team has played a team in the league. So in that scenario, what a shot that is from Sumit Nagal. India's #1 shows us
10-9. Bengal.
why he also took a set off the great Roger Federer. Some shots like that can surely entertain all of us. The praise, the applause, the appreciation from Sriram Balaji as well.
11-9 Bengal. Game complete.
At the moment, though, it's a win and a well-earned one. Sumit Nagal fought to the end. Sriram Balaji, mighty impressive outing for him. And after trailing for most part, what a comeback. There is so much more to come from this final night of the league phase before we head to a Super Sunday. And it's Sriram Balaji that gets past the India #1 Sumit Nagal, who's not had the best time in the men's singles.
20 points to fight for.
First one straight wide, and the Panthers doing what they need. Mukund Sasikumar looks at the dugout and says, "We got this, don't worry." Sumit Nagal will be up next alongside Mukund. Got Sarthak Lal alongside myself, Suhail Chandok in the comm box. 21-20 the overall scoreline. Anirudh has a great serve on it, and he puts that away with conviction. Watch out for Anirudh Chandrasekhar, part of India's future of tennis.
And Anirudh has been
2-1
in some
Bengal.
form. Those overheads, those smashes, him rushing to the net. Very confident with that serve and volley approach.
Oh, handsy.
3-1
Bengal primed for a semi-final spot, and Anirudh Chandrasekhar and Masha Timofeeva getting the job done at the moment. The young 20-year-old has been immense. Oh, too much to do there. Mukund goes at the body of Ani. Oh, good return. Anirudh Chandrasekhar, for me, is turning out to be one of the stars of the Tennis Premier League Season 5. That is a scintillating return. Lovely lob from Yashina. Oh, misses the drive volley.
8-5 Bengal.
Every point really important to decide who makes it to the semi-finals tonight itself.
Again, a good lob from Yashina. She's doing exactly what the team needs of her. But what a return that is from the 20-year-old Russian. Masha Timofeeva is turning out to be a future star. She's making a name for herself in India. Look at the confidence. No longer nervous. Ready to take on the world. Especially when she's got Anirudh Chandrasekhar by her side. They make for a great combination. And they can't lose this now at 10-5.
You do not want to lob anything over Anirudh's heads. Those overheads are not coming back. 2-1-9 at the top. 194 for Bengal, 190 for Mumbai, and the strikers at 199. That's what we're looking at, the 5-point difference, Sohail.
Bengal are within striking distance of the strikers now. 6 points to get. And they'll go through. and they're going to get those 6. They've got 1.5 games to do it.
10-6.
That's one of the 6 that they need. And that is also the win in the mixed doubles. They are getting closer and closer to booking a semi-final spot. However, Gujarat are getting further and further with every point that they lose.
Leander Pace will be proud. The brand ambassador. His guidance, he was here and we expect him to be back soon. What a serve! The hands have opened up. The confidence just keeps growing for Anirudh. He's been a different player that's shown so much improvement with each passing day of this league. Thriving on that self-belief.
That's out as well. 13-6 now. Final point of the mixed doubles. And they are 3 points away from booking a spot in the semi-finals. They pull one back for the Panthers. 7-13 it finishes. But a brilliant display, and the Bengal Wizards now on 197. They need 3 to get past the strikers, but they need a bit more than that. If they can get to 202, they will also avoid playing the Bengaluru Strikers, or rather the SG Mavericks. 13-7 in the mixed doubles, courtesy Timofeeva and Anirudh. Now it's over to Bala and Ani to see the Bengal Wizards into.
चल आजा मैदान में चल आजा मैदान में
We've got one final game to determine our semi-finalists of the Tennis Premier League Season 5. And it's Sumit Nagal and Mukund Sasikumar, India 1 and India number 2, up against Sriram Balaji and the in-form Anirudh Chandrasekhar, the lefty. They have a massive job to do because they're on 184. They'll need to win this massively, and that doesn't help. What a return that is. Anirudh Chandrasekhar is turning into one of the players of the tournament here. Two love. Bengal know what they need. 1 point. There you go, 199 each.
Cracking volley there. And now it really becomes about winning every point for the Gujarat Panthers, which seems to be impossible.
And now mathematically they're out of it too. The Panthers, even if they win every point from here, are done and dusted.
And that's not going to help the cause. And also, if you are the Bengal Wizards, you don't want to play Bengaluru at 1. You're also mindful of that. Certainly, when you look at the servers who've enjoyed their time here, Ramkumar Ramanathan, Balaji himself, Anirudh here, Ikki Punachar, Diggy Pratap Singh. It also is a lot to do with what this surface brings, the speed of the format, something Sumit Nagal wasn't really too comfortable. And the surface has a part to play, but you have to appreciate and acknowledge what Bala and Anirudh have done here, and especially what the Wizards have done over the last 4-5 days. Wow! The serve,
9-5,
perfect. The
Bengal.
volley, even better from Balaji. And you have to say, this is a pair you want to see shine on the international tour. You want to see this Indian pair come together. The lefty-righty combo, and how good they've been every single day.
They look to go forward with this kind of conviction into 2024, into a big year for them. And look at this, they're leading 10-5. Gujarat are struggling, and the Wizards have now moved into second spot on 207.
The Bengal Wizards have that 47 record to their name. They're at 43 now. Can they go past it? Difficult, given that only 2 points remain after this. They still can get to 46 in the final game of the league stages. This is the last match of day 5. And we definitely know who our 4 teams are in the semi-finals.
And we know the order as well, and we know who's going to play who. Bengaluru plays Delhi. Bengal plays Punjab.
12-7.
This is a massive win. 12-7. We head into the final point of the league stage of the Tennis Premier League Season 5. And it's the Wizards who started brilliantly on day 1. That'll close it out on day 5. Would you believe it? That is good as well, but the final point going the way of the Panthers.
Match complete.
Their campaign comes to a close with an 8-12 loss. But the Bengal Wizards will go through to the semi-finals in second spot.
And it's been wizardry all the way from the Bengal Wizards. They are through to the semi-finals, and once again, the score, that 45 scoreline, 45-35 is a statement. You want to win by those bigger margins, stamp your authority, and they certainly did